Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video we are doing a straight back feed in braid. You guys, I'm super excited because I have not done this hairstyle in about 2 years. If you guys have not seen that hairstyle, it is on my channel. Make sure you guys click the link right here above where it's gonna pop up. But yeah, it's been about 2 years, so I'm super excited to see if I still got it. And if you guys are interested in this summer hairstyle, keep on watching. Hairstyle a little bit differently. I'm actually not gonna put extensions from the top of my hair, only because my hair is relaxed now. When I did my hair 2 years ago in this hairstyle, my hair was actually all natural, so I don't know how my hair is gonna take to this hairstyle. So to be on the safe side, because my hair is finally back to where I want it to be, I'm gonna actually start the cane off with my natural hair and add the extensions towards the middle end of the braid, and that way the tension is not all on the top of my hair but more so at the back, which is fine because the back of my hair is a little bit stronger than the top. And I also been getting a lot of comments about the thickness and the fullness of my hair. You guys, I've been working super hard to get my hair back to this body, this volume. I do have fine hair by nature and I am very low in iron, so my hair tends not to be the thickest, but I've been working super hard to get my hair back to what it was pre-pregnancy and even better, and I'm on the road to that, and you guys could actually see it, and I'm very excited because that means whatever I'm doing is working. So if you guys are interested to see the products that I use to get my hair looking from this to this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll definitely make a whole other video for you. I'm actually using the Expression Soft Reggae Braid 18-inch, and this is like the kinky twist braids. I wanted to have like a natural finish, and this texture is closer to the texture of my hair right now. Even though my hair is relaxed, I'm about 6 months post relaxer, so the roots of my hair is very kinky. It's natural compared to the ends, and I wanted to keep that consistency. It's not as heavy as a braiding hair. This hair is actually fairly light, so I know it's gonna work better for me. So I always tell you guys to pre-part your hair. I'm not doing it this time, y'all. I am just gonna freehand it. Even though I know it's gonna be a little bit neater if I do pre-part my hair, I think I can still manage it because I kind of know my head at this point. But definitely, if you have the time, pre-part your hair, you're gonna get the best results. Me today, I'm just gonna freehand it and hope for the best. Now, this video is not a tutorial on how to braid. I'm not gonna do that in this video. If you guys do not know how to do feed-in braids, I do have a video up on my channel teaching you exactly how to do it. It's very detailed and it works, so you guys can go check that video out. But this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get the hairstyle in terms of parting, braiding, adding the hair, and the finishing touches. So the gel I'm gonna use is the Shine and Jam conditioning hair gel. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is not my favorite gel because it does make my scalp so itchy, y'all. Like, it's ridiculous, but it does hold my hair very well, so I'm gonna aim to put it on my hair rather than the scalp. This is all I have. Finishing oils I'm gonna be using is a Wild Growth oil and the Biotin Boost 5-in-1 leave-in conditioner. These are gonna be my finishing touches. So I wanna make sure that the lines are straight, because that's gonna give you a nice base and foundation for this whole hairstyle. So I do suggest you have a mirror behind you just to make sure that the line is straight from the top to the bottom, and making sure that your middle part is actually in the middle is very important as well. Okay, so this is the length of the braids. It's not too long. It's actually a good enough length for me. So I'm gonna keep it this length. I'm not gonna cut it. So I made a straight line and I divided that line into half. So I have one here and one here. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Shine and Jam just to keep the hair nice and neat. Again, I'm not gonna put it on my scalp because I find when I put it on my scalp, it gets really itchy and it's so uncomfortable. My hair is in a bob, so the ends are blunt, so I don't want the ends to be sticking out. So if you do have blunt ends, get a braiding gel just to make sure that your hair does not fray out outside of the braid. braids are done in the back, and it gives me a lot more flexibility, which I think is really good. So now we're gonna start braiding it. What you want to do is you want to follow the middle line. So when I do straight backs, I love to start from the middle of my head, go down to the side. That way I ensure that all the lines are actually going backwards and not on a slant. This is how this side looks. I decided to do my natural hair on top, just like how it looks, and it feels so light on my head, honestly. It is not tight at all. And this side literally took me like 30-45 minutes, and only because I'm watching Love Island. If I wasn't watching Love Island, it would go by so much faster. But yeah, this didn't take long at all. Now I'm just gonna fast forward and finish this side, and then you guys can see the final look.